Hi, my name is Varsha. In this session, we are going to learn about what is the determinant of the matrix and how to find out the rank of a matrix. If you have missed the previous sessions of this matrices chapter, then go into the description. I have given a link there. Now let's get into the session. What is known as a determinant of a matrix? How we perform a determinant for a particular matrix. So what is meant by the determinant of a matrix? The sum of the products of the elements of the first row is known as determinant of a matrix. Sum of the elements of the product of the elements of the first row is known as the determinant of a matrix. Here sum A1 into B2 into C3. This is the formula of the determinant of a matrix. Let us check out by seeing an example. Here we have given a matrix A. What is matrix A? 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 1, 4 and minus 1, 0, 2. Here let's check out. What is A1 here? A1 is 0 into B2 C3. 1 into 2. How much? 2 minus B3 C2. 0 into 4 is 0. Okay? Are you understanding? Next minus B1. What is B1? Minus 1. So keep it in the bracket. Okay. A2 C3. Where is A2? A2 is here and C3 is here. So 3 into 2 how much? 6 minus. Okay. And A3 C2. Where is A3? A3 is here and C2 is here. Minus 1 into 4 how much? Minus 4. So keep it in the bracket. If you have 2 minus, so you have to keep one of that in the bracket. So you will avoid the confusion. Okay. Plus C1. What is C1? 2 into A2 B3. Where is A2? A2 is here, B3 is here. So 3 zeros are 0 minus A3 B2. Where is A3? Here is A3, here is B2. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. So keep it in the bracket. Okay. Now let's go on. 0. 2 minus 0, 2. Minus into minus, plus 1 into 6. And here minus into minus, plus 4. Plus 2 into 0. Minus into minus, plus 1. So what is 0 into 2? 0 plus 1 into 6 plus 4? 10 plus 2 into 1. So 1 tens are 10 plus 2 ones are 2. So answer is 12. Okay. So the determinant of the matrix A is 12. So determinant is performed by sum of the product of elements of the first row of a particular matrix. Now let us see what is meant by a rank of a matrix. Do you know what is meant by rank of a matrix? How we perform it? How we specially give a matrix such as a rank? So I will explain you in this session. So what is meant by the rank of a matrix? Rank of the matrix depends upon the determinant. If the determinant is 0, then it is said to be, then it is, if the determinant is non-singular, then it is not a rank 3. So let's take an example. This only. So what is rank of a matrix? So let us take a matrix as 0, minus 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, minus 1, 0, 2. If we perform a determinant for a particular matrix, if it is not equal to 0, as this is a 3 by 3 matrix, then the rank will be equal to 3. Rank will be equal to 3. This is 3 by 3 matrix. How 3 by 3 matrix? So this is known as order. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. If a matrix, by performing the determinant of a particular matrix, if we get the determinant as not equal to 0, then the rank will be equal to the order of the matrix. If the determinant is equal to 0, so let us take an example of that type also. Let us take the matrix A. How to find the rank? So first, to find the rank we have to find out the determinant of the matrix A. And one more thing, the determinant symbol is represented as this. Okay. So what is the determinant of A? So minus 1 into 4 6 are 24 minus 25. Okay. 5 5 are 25. We have to close the particular row and particular column, and we have to multiply the remaining submatrix. Okay. So we have kept here minus 1. How to find the determinant in easy way I am telling you without formula. So minus 1, we have to close the particular row and particular column. So what are the elements remaining? 4, 5, 5, 6. So we have to multiply like this. 4 6 are 24 minus 5 5 are 25. And next, minus of minus 2. Next, close the particular row and particular column. Close this particular row, particular column. So what are the elements remaining? 3 5 4 6. What is 3 6 are 18. Minus 4 5 are 20. So next, minus 3. So close the particular row and particular column. What are the elements remaining? 4 3 4 4 5. Now multiply the remaining submatrix. 3 5s are 15. Minus 4 4s are 16. Okay. Is equal to minus 1 into 24 minus 25 minus 1. Minus into minus plus 2. 18 minus 20 minus 2. Minus 3 into 15 minus 16 minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. Plus into minus minus 4. Minus into minus plus 3. What is 3 plus 1? 4. Minus 4. What is 4 minus 4? 0. If we do the determinant of the particular matrix, if the determinant is equal to 0, if the determinant is equal to 0, then it is not equal to the rank of the order. So rank is not equal to 3. Then in this situation, what we have to do? We have to take any of the submatrix. We have to take any of the 2 by 2 matrix. Let us take this 2 by 2 matrix. In this matrix only we have to take the 2 by 2 matrix. A is equal to 4, 5, 5, 6. How to perform the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix? It is as simple. If A is equal to 4 6 are 24 minus, what is 24 minus 25? Minus 1. So if the determinant of the matrix is not equal to 0, then it is equal to the order of the matrix. As this order is 2 by 2, as this determinant is not equal to 0, then the rank is equal to 2. So the rank of this matrix A is equal to 2. Okay. And this is the end of this session. In next session we are going to learn about adjoint of a matrix and inverse of a matrix, how to perform them. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe it and share it to your friends.